Hey folks, it's Anthony here. I've got a really cool note capturing system to show you, the Kaptivo, right above me. So the Kaptivo actually mounts on your wall above your whiteboard, and it captures everything you write on it. Pretty easy, right? It actually is easy. So the Kaptivo connects into your network, wired or wirelessly. You then go out to your computer, access it through any web browser, and start a new session. And when you do that, this camera turns on and it captures everything you're writing. And it's not just one end result, it captures it as you go. So in the end, you're going to wind up with a bunch of thumbnails of all your work, and you can save it, you can share it with people, you do whatever you want with it at that point. So here's how it works. By the way, it also captures in color. So I've got a red marker, a blue marker, and a black marker. So I just wrote on the board, and it's coming up on my computer screen from the Kaptivo. So as you write, there's a little bit of a delay because it doesn't want to capture your hand. But as you write, it just captures everything that's up there. When you're done, you go back to your computer, you can end your session, and you can download the entire thing, all your slides, just one or two slides, do whatever you want. Either way, super easy to use. All we got to do is end the session, save it, and erase the whiteboard. And that's it. So I'm just going to show you how it looks on the computer screen. So as you see here, this is what you're going to find on the Kaptivo session. When you go, you can click on Timeline, and we actually had the share link pop up there, but when you click Timeline, the thumbnails come up. And because I really didn't write much, it only captured one, but you could have 4, 5, 6, 7, however much you're writing is going to depend on how many show up. You'll see there's a download button there, so you can download a snapshot or the entire slide deck. You got your share button, and there you have it. All you got to do then is hit end. It's going to ask you, are you sure? Where you can then download the slide deck once again. And even after you end it, it's going to show you all your slides. So you can click on them again, download them individually, or the slide deck. You'll have about an hour where you can still do this after you end your session. So you'll have plenty of time and no excuses to not save it. So folks, there you have it. That's the Kaptivo note capture system. Really easy to use, really cool. If you got any questions or you want to place an order, give us a call here at Touchboards, 866-942-6273.